So you want to play Metallica. Easily the most iconic riff that everybody wants to learn on the guitar. Let's take a look at it. So it really is just broken down with this power chord. And then rock your third finger right here on fret 7 of the A. Middle finger get the 6 on the E. And then first finger get the 5 on the E. And that breaks it up. For this part, it's just a 3, 0, 2, 0. Like that. I like to rock it as a power chord. That's because I saw Metallica live and that's what they do, so kind of a creature of habit. Position your hand, and then just lift this guy off because you're just trying to get this 0. That's a Metallica riff. Let us know what other Metallica riffs we should do.